Today we are here with Pop Mystery number 4, and y'all, if you watched the video, you might have stuck around for the sneak peek, the quick little swipe, and y'all were in love. So let's go ahead and go through this. This kit is no longer available. If you're looking for it, definitely check out the buy sell trade group, but this one is a good one. So let's go ahead and plop this on in, and it is Rugrats themed, and I wanted to do Rugrats themed kit for so stinking long because Rugrats is one of my favorite childhood shows. Actually, probably as far as cartoons go, my favorite show. And I've had Rugrats birthday parties as a kid, and I just am obsessed with everything Rugrats. Also, the Fantasy Wax Rugrats collection came out the same week as this, so I thought that that would be perfect. And just look at all of these character boxes, different scenes. You have the like living room scene, you know, with the gate where they're always breaking out of, and the ball, and it's just so fun. I love these colors, and you have all of your favorite characters in here. And then there is also Kimmy and Susie in the back, and I am just obsessed. Some small deco in here. You have some stars because a lot of it was very character heavy, but these colors are so fun. As far as foil goes, you have the backyard scene with Spike's little house. As far as foil goes, I feel like you could do like really fun foils. I feel like you could do silver hollow, sparkly hollow, lavender hollow. You could do like a mixed metal. You could do more fun colors like a blue or a purple. And then you have some of the like toys. So you have Reptar and Cynthia along with like the little screwdriver, the ball, and like the diaper. And again, the freebie and the ultimate and mini is the 2 extra character boxes. But y'all, this is gonna be such a fun spread, and I don't think that there's one box that I don't want to use. So I'm gonna need to make sure that I be using extenders this week because every box needs to be thrown in. I might honestly save this for like a birthday spread for me because I just think it's perfect. And then there was also the mini kit. I think the next Pop Mystery that I'm going to do is going to be Halloween themed, Halloween magical themed. So stay tuned for that. I don't have a lot of Halloween Pop Mysteries, but I have a lot of Christmas ones that I had. I think I have like 4 or 5 Christmas ones, and I only have 1, I think, Halloween. I have to double check. But yeah, so those are the kits, and then the add-ons were the doodle, the functional, the label ombre, and then label 2. And that, my friends, is everything. Again, this is the Pop Mystery number 4 Rugrats collection. No longer available. If you're looking for it, I would definitely check out the buy sell trade group. Otherwise, I will talk to y'all in my next video.